How to check messages on AliExpress. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your messages on AliExpress quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the AliExpress app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the home page, tap onto the account section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from there, tap onto the notification icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on any conversation to open it, see replies and send messages. If you are using the website, go to the aliexpress.com, hover over My AliExpress, then click on Messages. Sellers usually respond within 1 to 2 business days, especially during China working hours. And that's it. That's how you can check and reply the messages on AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Happy shopping, and I'll see you in the next video.